Deputy President of the Senate, Ovie Omo-Agege, has pledged that the 9th National Assembly is solidly behind President Muhammadu Buhari and will cooperate with him to ensure that the policies of his next-level agenda are brought to fruition. Senator Omo-Agege made this pledge in Orogun Delta State, where he was treated to a hearty welcome by his people. Modu reports.
It was a huge crowd that welcomed Senator Ovie Omo-Agege to home soil in Delta State. The Deputy Senate President had come for the burial of one of his close associates. He was not expecting the carnival-like atmosphere that awaited him in Orogun. From the airport, a crowd of cheering townsmen accompanied him to his homestead, where the reception was hurriedly arranged so that he could talk to his people. On his part, Senator Omo-Agege expressed appreciation for his people for coming through for him and voting him back to the Senate in keenly contested elections in 2019, which he believes put him in pole position to be elected Deputy Senate President by his colleagues.
I want the people of Delta Central, Delta South, and Delta North to please say thank you to all of the senators.
He also expressed appreciation to President Muhammadu Buhari, whom he says insisted that he be the party's choice for the position of Deputy Senate President. He pledged the support of the 9th National Assembly in driving President Buhari's next-level agenda, stressing that the era of frustrating the president's policies had gone with the 8th Assembly.
In my position and in my capacity as the Deputy Senate President, working with the President of the Senate, Senator Ahmed Lawan, the least we owe Mr. President is to create an enabling environment so that the content of that next level agenda that all of us campaigned on will be brought to reality.
Deputy Senate President's homecoming was livened by cultural dances from his townspeople. Modu, TVC News, Delta.